Good morning, Ronnie. Well, I don't know what time it is for you, but it's 6:31 for me. I got your email saying that you're having trouble with the tables in Desmos. So I thought I would just take a hot second and walk you through how to do one of those. So let's say you're doing, I don't know, number 8, where you have to find two numbers that multiply and add to a certain amount. Okay, so the problem is 16x squared plus 40x plus 25. Okay. Now I could factor out a common denominator here, but I'm going to show you how to do it without doing it that way and use larger numbers just for demonstration. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is figure out what our AC is. I need 16 times 25. 16 times 25. Excellent, 400. So I'm looking for numbers that multiply to equal 400. And then B is 40. So multiply to 400, but have to add up to 40. Now luckily they're both positive, so both of the numbers that I'm going to be looking for should also be positive. 400 is a pretty big number. So in order to find some of the factors of that, here's how you can do it. So I can type in y equals, or I could just, actually, let's go super simple first. I could type in 400 divided by, and then just type in 1, right? Okay, that worked evenly, so one of my factors is 1 times 400. 1 times 400 would work, okay? And then I could try 2, okay? 2 and 200 works. 2, 200, right? And then I could do 3. And that didn't work because it has a decimal. And then I could do 4, right? So you're getting the hang of it. 4 times 100 would work. Okay. You'll notice as this number gets bigger, this number gets smaller. Now that said, you can work it through like this and it works just fine. It takes a little bit of extra time, but it's not going to kill you. The other way you can do it is write an equation that does the same thing and create a table. So I need an equation has to have two variables. It has to have an x and a y. So I need my input and my output. So my output is represented by y, right? My input is going to be 400 divided by some number, just like we were doing before. Some value is going to be, I'm dividing it by, okay? See, it looks the same as up here because I'm dividing it by some number. That's going to be equal to our other variable of y, because this is the number I'm putting in, this is the number I'm getting out. Putting in, getting out, right? Once I have this equation, I'm going to go up here to this edit button, and it has like a little gear on it to indicate settings. Oh, sorry, I put it in backwards. So apparently it will only take it if y is in the front. So y is equal to, let's try it that way. There we go, geared settings. So apparently you have to have y equals at the beginning and then 400 divided by x after. Hit convert to table and it creates a table for you. Now I don't need the negatives. We're not going to be working with negatives, but you see 1 is here, 2 is here, and then I can just type in 3, oh that didn't work, 4, 5, 6, 6 didn't work, 7 didn't work, 8, great, 9, nope, 10, okay, 11, nope, 12, nope, 13's definitely not going to work, 14, still not working, okay, 15, maybe a 15, nope, 16, excellent, 17, still not quite there, 18, nope, 19, nope, 20, definitely works. Now, do you see how this is 20 and 20? So once I keep going, the next one's going to be 25, and I'll have looped around back to the beginning. So this is all of my factors. We had already done the first 3, 1, 2, and 4. The other factor pairs that multiply to equal 400 is 5 times 80, right? 8 times 50, etc. Now, all of these would work to multiply to 400, but they also have to add up to 40. 1 plus 400 is going to be 401. Obviously too big. 2 and 200, 202. You get the picture. So I need ones that are closer together that are going to equal to 40. Now that should draw your attention to right here in the table, because we know that 20 plus 20 will multiply to 400, and it's going to be equal to 40. So these are the two factors that I'm going to want to use. Hope that helped. Bye.